Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. We're playing this game. I don't know what this is, but I'm pretty sure it's the name of the company. Look at this, it says it right here. Yeah, stunt. So we're going to be messing around with it. We're going to be stunting. Here we go. This is a pretty sweet car, but let's see. Oh. Okay. Oh, I'm digging this lime green. Some nice lime green right there. Okay, I'm gonna do multiplayer mode first. And this is actually my second attempt, so this stuff is saved. Yeah, I forgot to do the outro because I ran out of time last time. Yeah, so the maximum time is like 14 minutes. I'm probably gonna end it at like 10 minutes. Why does everyone hate? That's why I'm killing myself. Oh. Well, that one's full for some reason. Whereas I said that there was one space left. Okay. I'm gonna play. Dang it. Okay, I wanna find a map 2 one. Okay. Here we go. Da-da-da-da-da. Car 43. 43 cars. And over 2 maps. Yeah. Okay, let's catch some insane speed. Go, 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 go! Aww. Well, I know it's possible to flip cars. Let's try it with this car. Okay. One done. Dang it, I think they updated the game and made it so you can't do that. Maybe it's just because of my car. Look how fast I'm moving. Look at it. Moving super fast. Whoa. Better keep your eye on the road. That's the lesson of this video. Yeah. Man, I said the lesson when I'm only like 2 minutes in. Okay, let's go back with this one. I like this one. Whoa. Whoa. Ah. Here we go. This is gonna be fun. Did you see how high those pieces went? Reach. Yeah. Did you see how fast I was moving? I was moving like 240 kilometers per hour. Wow. Yeah, I'm a rocket. Oh, not really. Ah! Come on, dude. Let's have a duel. I'm in a duel. I can't say it right. I think I said it right, actually. Yeah! Let's say dang it, my cover glitched. I'm a YouTuber. That's dang it. YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. Lol. Yeah, I just wrote I'm a YouTuber, lol. Great. And now I'm stuck. This is my life now. JK, I can press R to reset. Here we go! Whoa. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Oh my gosh, I was heading so fast that I nearly made it to the other side when I had the brakes on. Yeah. I think it might be quicker if I reverse while I put on my brakes. Never mind, that's just worse. Look. Head down the street and at really quick speeds. Imagine seeing a car just zoom by like this. Yeah. Go back. My microphone thing fell off. Hopefully you can hear me now. Can you hear me? Can you still hear me? I'm not gonna risk it. Wait, no, I am gonna risk it because I can edit that out if you can't hear me. Wait, then I'll have to re-record it because I didn't do my outro. Hopefully you can hear me. I need to reverse. Look! Oh my god. If you want to head fast, you need to use this car. Simplest like 15-second nudge could send you at like 70 miles per hour. It takes forever to stop. Oh, it's actually quicker to not put on the brakes. Here we go. No. Oh, that looks painful. Luckily this is just a video game. Okay. Not giving up until I complete that ramp. Actually, no, I might just do the ball. Am I glitched? Oh, never mind. Whoa! Dude! What the flip? Here we go. Whoa. Well, I think I'm gonna end this here. See you guys. Okay. Guys, see you later. If you're new to my channel, which you most likely are, please subscribe to it. Leave a like. And, if you leave a like, that'll tell me if you want to see a second video. And also, if you do want to see a second video, tell me what color should I do my car. Anyway, see ya. Creeper, out.